Dillon Aero is a military company located in Arizona, USA, mainly producing the GAU-2B/A 7.62mm Gatling gun, which is commonly known as the M134 Minigun, often seen in American action movies. The company, focused on the production of this one main product, has developed various accessories related to the Gatling gun, including the Dillon Aero Convoy Escort vehicle. Strictly speaking, this is not a fixed-format escort vehicle, but rather an additional kit that can be installed on suitable vehicles. Dillon Aero offers pre-made options for the Chevrolet Suburban and GMC Yukon SUVs, but can accommodate other specified modified vehicles as long as they meet the size and load carrying capacity requirements. The accessories for the Escort vehicle are quite extensive, including the installation of the Gatling gun on the SUV roof, a 360 degrees rotating gun mount, a weapon system support cage, retractable gun mounts, B6 level armor, run-flat tires, a 3,000 round capacity magazine, law enforcement strobe lights, a public address system/alarm, as well as additional options such as engine superchargers, window tinting, air vent covers, fuel tank protection, suspension upgrades, and vehicle emergency equipment. Externally, the modified Escort vehicle retains the appearance of the original SUV, with no noticeable differences to the average person. The Gatling gun can be deployed in about 3 seconds to engage any nearby targets, with a firing elevation angle of -10 degrees to 45 degrees. The gunner has a dedicated folding seat, and retracting the gun takes approximately 8 seconds. With this set of equipment, a civilian SUV is transformed into a light armored vehicle. The B6 armor can withstand hits from 7.62mm armor-piercing bullets, and the Gatling gun gives the Escort vehicle formidable firepower, making its combat capabilities not to be underestimated. This type of Escort vehicle was developed by Dillon Aero for wealthy individuals in Qatar and Oman. Its potential uses are quite extensive, suitable for military, law enforcement, or civilian purposes. Users can choose from the accessories to install, and wealthy individuals can opt out of the Gatling gun to convert the vehicle into a purely bulletproof car. The military and law enforcement can use the vehicle for patrols, escorting important targets, and other tasks. In fact, many car manufacturers have introduced bulletproof vehicles similar to the Dillon Aero Escort vehicle, such as the Audi A8L Security W12 and the Mercedes-Benz S600 Pullman Guard. The main difference between these vehicles and the Dillon Aero Escort vehicle is the presence of the Gatling gun. As for the design of installing the gun, it is not high-tech, and as long as there is a demand in the market, these car manufacturers could easily do it themselves. However, this may involve changes to the vehicle's purpose, which could pose some legal obstacles. Compared to regular civilian vehicles, the Dillon Aero Escort vehicle is a niche modified vehicle that caters to specific user groups. Therefore, it is unlikely that we will see much information about its purchase and use on social media, and the exact number of units sold is also unclear.